everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to pin post on Facebook. So please watch the video till the very end. First of all, you open the Facebook application and you need to get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in into your account, you tap upon the profile. For that, tap on the top left corner. Once you're at the profile section, you scroll down and tap open the post that you want to pin on your Facebook at the very top. So from all this, I'm just gonna go and pin my profile picture. For that, you need to tap on the three dotted lines at the side of your profile. Tap that. From the available option, you can see at the very top pin post. You tap that and that post will be pinned at the very top of your newsfeed, and it will also be shown as pinned post on the top just above. So this is how you can pin post on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.